Yeah, I just woke up. I haven't had any coffee yet, but there's actually no time. So it's Wednesday morning. I'm going to my grandmother today, so I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. Come along. The sun is actually burning my eyes now, so I'm standing here in this shade like. Guys, the sun, early in the morning, the sun. So we are officially here. I'm just gonna show you guys around real quick, like the way I walk, because it's really cute here. This is regtig baie mooi. Isn't this I need coffee. I need coffee. Ons was toe die naweek op die plaas. Ons het einde van die maand se naweek afgegaan. Hulle het ook net seker 'n uur na ons gekom het. Toe kom hulle af. Dus ons vir die naweek saam op die plaas. My ma was die plaas toe nie. En Julie was ook niet daar. Hulle het net die kinders gaan gelos. Let's check out my flower. Ooh, guys, the rain. The rain. The rain. The squad. Oh, there's my name. The rose is dead. They ate it. The rose is too yellow. Oh my goodness. But my mint grew. Great, okay. Well, at least the mint grew. But the rose. Don't worry. There's a lot more. Okay. I'm officially done. So I'm going home now. So I would say we're basically done for the day because there's nothing much to do, no big stuff. It's just gonna be me at home chilling. Maybe start cooking since it's already past 5. So ja, ek het my voorkop hier so gebrand terwyl ek my hare uitgestrek het en dit is verskriklik seer. Like ek kan letterlik voel hy lê so daai lyn wat so brand. So as ek môre 'n kol op my voorkop heb, asseblief do not judge. Maar okay. Good morning. Currently speaking, it's Thursday morning, so it's basically like a quiet day. Not quiet. Ooh, not quiet as in quiet, but I will be working, and you guys will be with me the whole day. But it's gonna be kind of like a quiet day. But for now, I'm just gonna make some coffee and then start my day, cause I'm not slap. alle paar. Wonder of die groot een hier aan die kant die dinges is het. Dan gaan kry jy.
Ons moet nou die hele Namibia skoorpad.
Kyk as ver in 'n geval van 5, miskien 10 km so erg gewees het. Maar hoekom?
Good morning, guys. So it's Thursday. Oh, it's Friday. Happy Valentine's, guys. Woo! Okay, it's Friday today. Yo, it's Friday. I was supposed to do gardening yesterday, but then we had a death notice, so I didn't do that. I was supposed to do it today, but I have other plans. So, but it's still in my to-do list. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, definitely. Saturday will not go by. Dit sal nie verbygaan nie. So, let's go. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys. Remember when I said I burned my head on Dogilla? Check it out. Check it out. Yo. Okay, so currently speaking, we are on our way to PSUN. I have to go pay something there. And then after that, we'll see what follows. Sy moes my kom gewys het waar die plek is. Van ek het nie geken.
Is julle by my gewees?
Ek dink tog so in hierdie selfde kantoor. Ja. So we finished up with what we were doing and we came home. We had no, that wasn't even lunch. Like we came home at 4, yeah. So yeah, we ate and now we're just gonna sit by the fire for the Friday night. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably sneak in some stuff, but we will see. So tomorrow is Saturday, definitely a gardening day, definitely, no other doubts. It's a gardening day tomorrow, and then Sunday is a reset day. So see you guys tomorrow. Guys, cancel the whole fire story. So my boyfriend's friend just came, so they're outside sitting by the fire. And me, I'm gonna chill all by myself with the movie. I think I need to get snacks. That's a fact. So Paddington Bear. I'm watching Paddington, guys. Check.
Lucy! Oh! Hello!
Well guys, it's currently Saturday afternoon. I just woke up. I finished my gardening and then I went to bed. I had some medicine and went to bed because I was not feeling well. No jokes. But anyways, I hope I'm not getting flu. This will be the last part of my video since I never continued vlogging. So please do leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys love this video, and if you would like some more, please leave it in the comments. I'll see you soon. Mwah.